Hi, my name's Zach with Earthborne JCB. We're here today to talk about the JCB 48Z Mini Excavator. The 48Z has an operating weight of 10,500 pounds. It comes equipped with a 4-way dozer blade with dozer float, which makes it easier for you to backfill trenches and clean up the job when you're done. It has a dig depth of 11 foot 11 inches and a load over height of 13 foot 3. One of my favorite features of this machine is that on the dig end it comes equipped with 500-hour greasing intervals, which cuts down on maintenance time. This machine comes with a 24-inch bucket and a bolt-on hydraulic thumb. Ground level serviceability makes for quick and easy access on this machine. The JCB 48Z comes equipped with a sturdy steel door for access. You'll notice this machine does not have a diesel particulate filter or an area for depth load. One of the things you'll notice about this machine is the spacious cab. The visibility is great and your operator's going to love it.